Hi, my name is Brittany and I am a realtor here in Northeast Florida, serving mainly St. Johns County and Duval County. And today I wanted to talk to you about a new neighborhood that is currently being built in Nocatee. This neighborhood is called Seabrook Village. It's a new community on the south side of Nocatee, just past Settlers Landing. This community is going to have a playground, a dog park. It will be home to Nocatee's largest swimming pool that will be completed sometime in 2024. And eventually there will also be a K-8 school over there, but there's no time frame on when this will be completed yet. So far, about 50 homes have been sold. Builders are still working on model homes and inventory homes are being built. And there's going to be a total of 327 homes in this neighborhood. These houses will range from 1,450 square feet to 2,900 square feet, and they're going to start in the mid 400s. I'm going to go through each of the builders with you and the square footage of the homes that they offer and their prices. So there are 4 builders that you can choose from. The first one is Providence Homes. Those are going to start in the mid 400s. Next, there's Riverside Homes. Those are going to start in the high 400s. Then there's going to be David Weekley. Those are going to start in the low 500s. And there's Toll Brothers, and those are going to start in the high 500s. Keep in mind when you're buying new construction, you also need to account for the price of the lot. If there's an extra fee for that, that can be anywhere from $0 to about $40,000, I believe, in this neighborhood. And then on top of that, buyers will typically add in another 10 to 15% in upgrades when they go to build the home. Now, if you're interested, there is an inventory home that's currently being built by Providence that will be ready this summer, sometime between June and July. So if you would like information on that home, I can definitely get that for you. There are also going to be 8 more that are going to be completed around the September timeframe. And these all range from about $650,000 to $843,000. Okay, now forgive me for looking down at my screen, but I'm going to butcher this if I try to say it completely off memory because the numbers are precise. I want to give you exactly what to expect. So I'm going to read off the square footage and the pricing for each of these builders. For Providence, the homes range from 1,593 square feet to 2,747 square feet, and the homes will be between 3 and 4 bedrooms. And they're going to start at $457,000 to $631,000. Next, we have Riverside Homes. Those homes are going to range from 1,570 square feet to 2,900 square feet. They're between 3 and 6 bedrooms, and pricing is between $484,000 to $724,000. Next, we have David Weekley. Those homes range from 1,700 square feet to 2,900 square feet. They're going to be between 3 and 6 bedrooms as well. They start at $509,000 and go to $603,000 starting. Then last, there is Toll Brothers. Those range from 2,100 square feet to 2,900 square feet. These are going to be between 3 and 5 bedrooms, and they start between $575,000 and go to $685,000. So if you want more information on Seabrook Village, on any of the builders, the floor plans that they offer, please reach out. I'm going to leave my information on the screen right here. And if you are relocating to Nocatee, maybe from out of state or from somewhere else within the state, please let me know and I will be happy to help guide you through this process. Thank you for watching.